Hi guys, this is Matthew again. Today is 13th of April 2022, and we are trading the touch no touch, and we are using the charts. We are trading volatility 10 index. This is our fourth strategy for today. Don't forget to subscribe to all our channels for more strategies. So here, before we proceed, okay, let's place that trade there. I'm going to explain this strategy to you. Okay, as you can see, that's our second straight win right there. That's the second straight win. So I'm going to explain this strategy to you after this timeout. For those who haven't purchased the TOUCHSCALPER boat, there's a boat right there. The boat works on both binary.com and deriv interface and is automated, and you can see some of the results right there. The version 6.5 is out already. We've sent it to all those who have previously purchased the boat, and for those who haven't purchased the boat, all you have to do is to visit the order page www.touchscalper.citytechnologies.com.ng to order the boat. It's just $9.99 USD. The boat is automated, and the PIPSREAPER boat as well is another effective boat for deriv and binary.com interface, and is a boat right there. The boat is just $7.99 USD. The PIPSREAPER boat trades on digits, and you can see some of the results right here. To order the boat, visit www.binarypipsreaper.citytechnologies.com.ng to order the boat, and don't forget to subscribe to all our channels for more updates. So here are the links again. This is a link to order the PIPSREAPER boat, and this is a link to order the TOUCHSCALPER boat. This is a link to sign up for a free trading account for those who don't have a trading account, and these are the links to subscribe to our channels. This is the first channel, this is the second channel, and this is the third channel. Subscribe to all our channels for more updates and strategies. So let's get back to the trading. As stated earlier, we are trading the touch no touch, so I've opened the trade already. So once you log into website.binary.com, you go to static indices, you click on volatility 10 index, then you go to touch no touch, you click on it, then you set the durations to 5 ticks, you click on both touch, you set the barrier offset to plus 0.38, then you enter the payout. So you open the chart as well, you go to chart, open synthetic indices, the volatility 10 index chart, then you change the time interval to 1 tick, then you drag this very close so that you'll be able to see this movement right here. So once this thing is up right here, we're going to be clicking on purchase. Once it's pushing right up, we're going to be clicking on purchase. You can see it's down, so it's up, we're going to be clicking on purchase. So let's place one more trade. We've placed 2 trades already. Okay, it's up there. As you can see, we already won that trade. So make sure you watch the charts carefully before you place the trade. Don't forget to subscribe to all our channels for more updates. Thanks for watching. Bye.